Now, when you're on your computer, be it a PC or a Mac, there are various commands or embedded bits of software that come with the computer that you can use to take a screenshot. The problem with them is they only take a shot of the actual visible area of the screen. So what if you wanted to take a whole rolling website? It is possible to do it, and if you don't want to have to add any more extensions to your browser, you can do it using the tools within the Chrome browser. So if you go up here where the three dots are, click on there, come down to More Tools, Developer Tools, and then if you go up to the three dots once you're in there, click on that, Run Command, and then type in Screenshot. It will bring up all the different types of screenshot that you're able to take. So for this one, we're going to capture the full size screenshot because for reasons known only to me, I want to save the self-assessment tax returns website for some bedtime reading anyway. Click that, and there it will take you into your downloads folder where you can see self-assessment tax returns and save it there. If that was helpful for you, please do click the like button. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Take care.